Hello, my beautiful, spooky, perfect friends. I hope you're all doing so wonderful. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a look using a lot of Ouija Cosmetics products. This tutorial should have gone up a long time ago, but better late than never, am I right? I think so. I'm starting off this look by using my P. Louise base in 0.5. They have every shade for every skin tone, and it's my favorite base, obviously, because I use it for every single look, so, you know. I'm going in with my Ouija Cosmetics palette. Look how cute this is. The palette came broken, so the red shade up in the corner, that shade came broken, so I fixed it with some alcohol, and it still works. You just put a little alcohol in a broken shade, and then I just use a Q-tip and let it dry out, and it still works like a charm. So I am using this deep red shade. Look how stunning and pigmented that is. Holy macaroni. It's beautiful. So I'm just popping this baby in my crease. Yes, ma'am. And then I'm taking this taupey kind of brown color and I'm using that as a transition shade. I wanted this shade to be, or this look to be more natural looking, if you will. It's not really natural, but you know, for me, the colors are more natural, I guess you could say. Kind of like a rose gold feel is what I was going for. Yeah. So I'm taking this stunning orange shade here and I'm popping that right on the lid, just using my finger. If I'm doing a shimmer on my lid, like not a cut crease or anything, just like a smoky kind of look, I just use my finger for shimmers because I think it looks so stunning. This orange glitter though, are you kidding? Look at that. Look at this glitter. Oh my god, this is from Ouija Cosmetics as well. I just mix it together with a glitter glue. I like to mix them together on the back of my hands. Instead of laying the glitter glue down first and then packing on the glitter, I just mix them together and put it on so it's like a glitter gel, if you will. I'm then taking my Ouija Cosmetics liquid liner and I'm doing a giant winged liner. Yes, ma'am. Using my heavy metal glitter liner from Urban Decay, I am just putting that on top a little bit. I just wanted to add a little bit. I just wanted to be a little bit more sparkly, okay? So I just popped a little bit more on. And now I'm moving on to my face. I'm using my Mario Badescu spray. I love this just to give a little hydration. My skin's really been dry lately, so what's wrong with a little extra hydration? I'm using my Milk Makeup Moisturizer and my Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. I'm going to show you guys my foundation routine. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I think I've shown it on YouTube. Like recently, I think. I don't know. I'm losing my mind. I'm sorry. I'm using this Colourpop Cosmetics Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. I'm obsessed with it. I just have the samples right now that they sent me, but this foundation, you guys, wow. It's so pretty, and again, my skin is super, super dry, so anything that says the word hydrating in it, yeah, I'm gonna use it. A lot. All of it, probably. Ooh, 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 ooh. Using my Hourglass Cosmetics concealer. I also mix it with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So I put the Born This Way one on first, and then I put a little bit of the Hourglass one on. I just love the Hourglass one because it's really thick, and it gives me that super full coverage look I'm going for. So I just blend them together. Yep, just like that. And blend them right in. And guys, I make my face super pale first, and then I go in with contour and blush. That's just the way I like to do it, okay? I'm using my Wicked Sisters Wicked Veil Translucent Setting Powder. It is my favorite. Oh my god, it makes your skin look like velvet. It's such a good setting powder. I'm obsessed with it. And it doesn't give you flashback, which, amen, hallelujah, sister. Yes, yes, a ghost. I just saw a ghost in the mirror. I'm taking my Lunatic Cosmetics Contour Palette Volume 1 and I'm just mixing all four of these colors together. I just kind of go for it, you know, I don't really care. Just need a little color in them cheeks. Yes. And then for blush, I'm using this really pretty Colourpop Cosmetics blush, and I'm just popping a little bit of it on my cheeks. I like to go up my cheeks with blush because it gives you a more lifted look. And then I am just baking, if you will. I like to make sure my contour is nice and sharp around my nose and also on my jawline because I've got big chubby cheeks, okay? So I want my contour to be sharp. And then I am really smoking out my lower lash line today, guys. I wanted a super, super black and dramatic lower lash line. So I really, really smoked it out and connected that cat eye. using this very white shade. It's a shimmer shade, and the palette, I put that right in my inner corner. Look at how poppin' that is. So cute. I also use it to highlight my brow bone. This is the Sigma Lash Fan brush. It's the one I always use for my brow bone, and then I'm just dusting away that excess powder. Yep. I also used that same eyeshadow shade and highlighted the rest of my face. And then I'm just making my eyeliner super dramatic. You know when you like accidentally just like keep adding more onto your eyeliner? That's kind of what happened with this look. And then I was like, you know what? It's actually cute. I like it. Let's do this dramatic, super giant dramatic winged liner. I'm using these lashes from Ouija Cosmetics. Super cute, super spiky. And then I am tightlining my upper lash line just to make sure everything looks a little bit more blended. Oh, I went and did my hair for you guys. Thank goodness. Look a little bit better. Crap. Now I'm using this LA Splash Cosmetics lip liner. I'm just lining my lips a little bit. And then I'm going in with this Spoiled Lips Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Sandbar. I do believe that's what it's called. It's just a nude color. Like I said, this is like more natural for me, you guys. And then this is a Gem Casket lip gloss, and I'm just popping a little bit on top, just the tiniest little bit. Yes, just to give a little glow, and then setting my face with my Huda Beauty Dewy Setting Spray. But that is it for this tutorial, guys. Pretty simple for me, I know, but I hope you enjoyed it still. Make sure you go check out Ouija Cosmetics, and stay tuned for what I got next for ya. I'll see you later. Bye.